Have you ever struggled with summer heat and wished for an AC that doesn't need complicated installation? Today, we're checking out the Mirover Portable AC and finding out if this compact cooling device actually works or if it's just another overhyped gadget. Let's get started. First, the biggest selling point of the Mirover Portable AC is convenience. Unlike traditional air conditioners, this device is designed to work right out of the box. No drilling, no wall mounting, and no expensive setup. Just plug it in, add water, and turn it on. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move from room to room. Whether you want cooling while working at your desk, relaxing in your bedroom, or sitting in a small office, portability is definitely one of its strongest features. Now, let's talk about how it actually works. The Mirover Portable AC uses evaporative cooling technology. That means it pulls warm air through a water-based cooling filter and then releases cooler air back into the room. It's more like a personal cooling device than a full-sized air conditioner, so expectations should be realistic. For small spaces and close-range use, the cooling effect feels refreshing, especially during hot afternoons. Sitting near the device gives the best results. However, if you expect it to cool a large room like a traditional AC, you may be disappointed. It works best for personal comfort, rather than whole room cooling. One thing many users like is the low noise level. Compared to large air conditioners or loud fans, this unit runs quietly, making it suitable for studying, sleeping, or office work. Another advantage is energy efficiency. Traditional AC units can increase electricity bills significantly, but portable cooling devices like this usually consume much less power. That makes it appealing for students, renters, or anyone looking for a budget-friendly cooling option. The water tank capacity is decent for regular use, but you'll need to refill it depending on how long you run the device. Some versions also include